Everyone, this is Sarah Kanipa. You may know me as the Sparrow. Did you see that light? Those are fireworks. It's currently July 4th, 2017. That's right, 4th of July. And I thought I'd show you guys the view I'm getting from my window. The blinds here are currently open, so we could see the fireworks. That'd be cool. See that green light there? Right there. That was a firework. You could see them go off all the time. They're really cool. Well, but the best time to see them is 4th of July. Because they're very plentiful then. Oh, did you see that little dot hiding in the corner of the screen? Those little dots right there. Here. Just wait. Not the big yellow dot, but another dot. Here, the screen's blank. See, did you see that light? Not the yellow one, but the other one. That was a firework. Anyway, I just got them. Thank you for watching. Just got changing it out. So it is currently 10:12 p.m. So I gotta go to sleep. So bye.